Well, before starting our video, uh, let me introduce myself. I am 01 and I am going to start a Linux journey where I share my customization, how to use Linux, and how to choose it in a better way that you can understand it, you can change your flow, you can switch between themes, desktop environments and other things. Okay, so let's begin with our introduction because in anything, introduction is important. So let's begin with our section. Now, Linux, as a beginner, some people or some students think that Linux is operating system, but it is not that way. Okay, Linux is kernel, and if we use Debian, Arch, Red Hat, whatever it is, then that is Linux based operating system. Okay, because kernel is the core and it is similar for everyone. Okay, I know there is a huge variation like Linux CatchOS kernel, Linux Zen kernel, Linux hardened kernel, there is a Linux LTS kernel, but we came to that later in our other videos. Okay, now Linux is created by our Linus Torvald who used to be a CS student in that time. And he released his first version of Linux kernel in 17th September 1991. And he says, use it, modify it, and customize it in your own way. And everyone did it. Everyone merges it with another type of customization. Some use performance, some want security. So there is a huge amount of customization and things done. Now, in 1990s, okay, in 1990s, how a user, Linux user, use it. That time, we thanks to Howard Stallman, who created GNU project in 1983, and he provides, I mean, the project provides user to run, copy, distribution, study, and modify software. Okay, it means interaction. When now in our system, like interact with our system, files, copy paste, writing something, painting, etc. That time GNU project provides it, and a user have to include them. GNU project and X11. Now X11 is a protocol. Okay, X11 is a protocol. Xorg is not only that. Xorg also provides rendering, visibility, refresh rate, a huge amount of deal it done with our system. Okay, but now if you look this section, then here as you can see, uh, the Divine project is the first time when uh, GNU and Linux are merged to use and give a user to like Windows type of system that I know Windows is completely different, but still Windows like of a wrapper. User can use terminal, open file a manager, etc. And at first GNU developer have to learn about the kernel. Okay. Now let's begin with our recent projects. So after the GNU project, there is GUI desktop environment projects that came up. Okay, like GNOME, KDE, etc. They also use X11 in that time. Okay, so GUI and desktop environments made then. It is 1994 or 1993, 1992. So if I zoom it, then GNOME gives this type of simple but a popular look because most of users at first start with GNOME and it is kind of simple but cool. It has a different look. And in the sense of KDE has a huge customization. The user can customize every corner of it, okay, because it gives the power to user. So there is also a huge type of desktop environments like i3, Save, Hyperland, NIDI, XFCE for Mac, then Cinnamon, okay, Unity. But now, what is this? This is Wayland.
VLAN is a protocol for communication between a compositor, the display server, and its clients applications, plus reference implementation like libVLAN and a set of compositors.
What is secure? Better provides better rendering, better visibility, and the most is, the most beautiful thing about Wayland, it's better isolation. Okay, it provides a better isolation. So X11 is now dropped by GNOME 50 and KDE Plasma 6.6 now. So the flow is kernel communication. Okay, kernel. It has a GUI wrapper skin, DE desktop environment, and it has a server protocol. What is WLAN? What provides system security and its rendering, its visibility, all the things. So this is it, and I hope you have understand. A simple understand that how it works and how what is the its history. And I will begin some other topics from next video. And today I will end the session here. If you have any query, if you have any problem, then let me know in comment. I will share my opinion and I will share my answers there directly. And for today, I will end this session here.